Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, meaning just trying to solve the problem, attempting to solve it, talking through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone watching this. So the problem I'm going to be attempting today is number 2000, reverse prefix of word. So, given a zero index string word and a character ch, reverse the segment of word that starts at index 0 and ends at the first occurrence of ch. If the character ch does not exist in the word, do nothing. So, for instance, word is equal to ABCDEF D. Character is D, so we reverse ABCD. So we got DCBA, and the rest stays the same. The constraints are the word's length is between 1 and 150. The word is going to only have lowercase English letters, and ch is a lowercase English letter. So just going to go to my notes here. I think this is going to be fairly simple. What we're going to do is use Python's find function to find first occurrence of character. Next we have to use slicing to return or we'll create a new string. Create a new string which is the reversed prefix. Append we'll call it at index I. We'll say index I. Creating a string which is reverse prefixed, slicing 0 to I plus 1, append reversed prefix, or we'll say join reverse prefix with rest of string. And that's what we're going to try and do. Gonna go to here, gonna paste this in here. So what we're gonna do is word dot find ch. Let's see what we get. Okay, so it prints out 3, 3 and -1, which is right. So we're gonna set this to first occurrence is equal to this, and then we can say if, or we're just going to call it first or found. We can say if this is equal to -1, return word, and then we can say elif, or we could just say else, or we could just say return. What do we need to do? First word from index 0 to found plus 1 concatenated with the rest of the string. So from found word found plus 1 to the end. Oh, this shouldn't be in here. Hmm. Okay, we can slice this again. Okay, so these pass. Let's hit submit. There we go. So thank you very much for watching the video. Hope it was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please leave a comment, or if you had some other solution that was a bit more efficient or simple, or just different, again, please leave a comment. Love discussing these problems and their solutions. So yeah, thank you once again for watching the video, and I hope you have a great day.